If you're a serious or competitive gamer, you probably already understand the importance of using a PC that's built for gaming and not just any office or home computer. If you dabble in PC gaming and aren't sure if it's worth upgrading to one of the best gaming PCs you can find on Amazon or elsewhere, you should consider how the powerful components of a gaming PC could improve the speed and efficiency of any task you take on daily with your computer, including graphic designing and 4K video editing as well as routine daily tasks. With powerful CPUs, immense memory space, and lightning-fast processing speeds, the benefits are endless. You need fast loading times and lag-free reactions. To get all of the components that keep you in the world of the game with full immersion, you need a computer designed and dedicated to delivering just that. Have you been looking for a great pre-built top PC? If so, check out this list of the best 7 PCs that you can find on Amazon today. Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition. The Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition is the best gaming PC you can buy right now. It's built with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card for all the power you need to play the hottest AAA titles and most graphically demanding games. And with dual storage drives, you'll have plenty of space for your entire game library plus room to grow. A liquid cooling system works with the pre-installed fans to draw waste heat away from components, keeping everything running at optimal temperatures for better performance and power efficiency. The chassis also sports a unique, rounded design to stand out from the rest of the box-style, mid-size towers on the market. And with tool-less access, it's easy to open up the tower to clean out fans, reroute cables, or upgrade components. Lenovo Legion 5i. At just under $1,000, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is one of the more affordable pre-built gaming PCs on the market. And just because it's more budget-friendly, that doesn't mean you sacrifice quality and performance. It's built with an 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card, a 256 GB SSD, and a 1 TB HDD. This configuration is great for PC gaming newcomers, since it gives you plenty of power and storage for both new and classic game titles, and the lower price means you can save money to upgrade components later on when you need better performance. The minimalist design is great for gaming spaces that double as home offices, using more understated RGB components to reduce distractions for coworkers. It also comes packaged with a keyboard and a mouse so you can get started playing your favorite games right out of the box. Corsair One i300. If you need a powerful gaming PC but don't have a ton of space, the Corsair One i300 is a great option for a compact tower. With a footprint of just 54 square inches, it takes up less than a quarter of the space of a full-size tower, making it perfect for tucking away on the corner of your desk or even under it if you need more space for peripherals like mice and keyboards. And even though it's a compact build, it's packed with premium-grade components like a 12th generation Intel Core i9 CPU, GeForce RTX 3080 GPU, 2 TB SSD, and 32 GB of RAM. The front panel features dual RGB LED light strips, so you can sync with other RGB peripherals or show off your personal style. And all of the ports are designed with modern gaming in mind, giving you access to multiple USB 3.2, Thunderbolt 4, and USB-C slots for faster data transfer and more reliable connections to peripherals and external storage devices. Acer Predator Orion 5000. As game download files get larger and larger, PC gamers need tons of storage space for their libraries. The Acer Predator Orion 5000 is built with a 1 TB SSD and 2 TB HDD, which is more than enough to handle games like Red Dead Redemption 2 and Call of Duty, but if you need even more space, you can add a second 1 TB SSD and up to 2 3 TB HDDs. It also has more than enough power to handle even the most graphically demanding games with a 12th generation Intel Core i7 CPU and GeForce RTX 3080 GPU. You also get the best sound possible for gaming with support for DTS X Ultra audio processing and blazing fast wireless internet speeds with Wi-Fi 6E support. MSI Trident X Twitch streamers and YouTube let players need PCs that can not only handle the hottest AAA games but also professional-grade photo and video editing software and live streaming apps. The MSI Trident X is an almost perfect choice for content creators, featuring a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. There are configurations that give you up to 2 SSDs as well as a traditional hard disk drive, but be prepared to fork over a hefty wad of cash to get it. However, full-time content creators will appreciate the investment, since the premium configurations will give them all the power and storage they'll need for years to come. The Trident X also has an incredibly compact footprint, making it easy to tuck away on a shelf or a desk corner or to mount on a wall to stay out of the way while you record or edit videos. The hinged side door makes accessing fans and components fast and easy, while the front of the tower features USB 3.2, USB-C, and audio inputs for quicker setup of external memory storage, peripherals, and audio equipment. HP Omen 25L GTX 1660. The HP Omen 25L line is the most accessible price-wise of the entire Omen division, which currently features support for the latest Intel 12th Gen and Ryzen 5000 CPUs. At around the $1,200 mark, and below, you can expect high performance for both 1080p and 1440p, all built inside a sleek chassis. What's more, the HP Omen 25L is easy to upgrade, making it easy to swap out parts, such as graphics cards and RAM in the near future. The one negative that has circulated around the HP Omen 25L, and likely implemented as a cost-saving measure, are small issues with airflow due to the chassis' small size. This could be down to the fact that the Omen 25L lacks the same front intake fan as the larger Omen 30L. If you're aiming for modest components here, then thermal throttling is unlikely to be a problem, but it's something to keep in mind all the same. If you want to keep the costs down even further, you can opt for a machine running the likes of the still more than capable GTX 1600 series and older Intel chipsets which are still being sold. It all depends on your usage, as RTX 3060 enabled configurations can be found in this budget running the latest hardware. Acer Predator Orion 7000. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 is the #1 pick for the best gaming PC that you can buy in the UK for its thoughtful design, PCIe 5.0 compatibility, and powerful hardware that's sure to be future-proofed for many years to come. In our testing, we found that there was nothing we could throw at this machine that it couldn't handle, including frame rates in the 100+ FPS range in a whole suite of demanding titles in 4K, and even higher in the likes of 1440p. This gaming PC has been thoughtfully re-engineered to replace the old plastic panels of the previous model, instead opting for an all-glass and metal finish. Perhaps most important with the Acer Predator Orion 7000 is how its design philosophy mimics that of a traditional home-built PC without any proprietary manufactured pieces inhibiting tinkering, meaning it's easy to upgrade in the future. The bump up to DDR5 RAM is a surefire noticeable one if you're coming from a machine running a similar frequency DDR4. This PC had a dual-channel 4000 MHz kit inside the machine and found the difference to be light and day, made especially snappy by the lightning-fast, though admittedly hot, Intel Core i9-12900K. Various other configurations are available if you want to spec your machine out a little more humbly, though. All current generation Acer Predator Orion 7000 models are utilizing PCIe 5.0. So you'll be future-proofed no matter the video card that's inside, which can be swapped out painlessly, too, should you need it. Whether you want lengthy gaming sessions or lightning-fast response times in your productivity tasks, the Acer Predator Orion 7000 is easily the most feature-rich, and most capable, gaming PC on the market right now. By minimizing the bloatware, and being far more consumer-friendly than some other gaming PCs you can get your hands on, we can recommend this model to anyone wanting the best of the best in 2022.